Okay, so these are some of the cutest freaking things I've ever seen.
Oh my god, this is a freaking Hobbit Shire over here.
You can't really see those sheep.
Look at these guys over here.
Because they blend in. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at these babies. Look how sweet they are. They're all playing in the mud. And that one's trying to mount the other one.
Oh,
all right. I have nature at its best on tape.
Sweet.
Oh, they're still so sweet.
No, they're not. They're picking on that one.
No, they're not.
They're evil little sheep.
No, they're sweet.
They're black sheep.
Look at that baby trying to play and ram his little face. That one? Alright, Blackie, calm down.
It's always the black one. Well, look at the little Clydesdale wannabe horse over there.
Oh, yeah, there's a Budweiser. I can't zoom in any farther.
There's a Budweiser.
Budweiser horsey, and there's a whole field of sheep.
These little sheepies.
And here's
Oh,
Keith.
I love those little sheepies. They're so cute.
You're so cute.
You're cute.
You're cute.
Whatever.
Jeez.
Look at the valley and everything.
I don't know what those things are, but
those
just
are sheep.
just behind those horses and those like 4 sheep in the distance, like a little road. And these babies. They're so cute. Go! Go!
Go, little fella, go. Ram that one.
Oh my god! Oh my god, look at him go.
Ram that one.
He was prancing. Aren't you so sweet? I'm sorry. Stop looking at me.
If it's got a little head and big eyes, you think it's cute.
They're babies. I think we're almost out of video recording time here. Oh, but they're